Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play California Love on piano. We'll begin by breaking down the iconic main riff. This melody primarily uses notes from the C minor scale, starting on C. Your right hand will handle this catchy tune, while your left hand establishes the foundational bass line. Pay close attention to the syncopated rhythm. It's crucial for capturing the song's feel. Practice slowly to build accuracy and confidence. Next, let's explore the main chord progression that underpins the entire song. The sequence is C minor, followed by G minor, then A-flat major, and finally E-flat major. Practice playing these four chords in their root positions first to get comfortable with the shapes. Once you're confident, try using inversions to create a smoother, more connected sound as you move from one chord to the next. Consistency in tempo is key here. Now, let's focus on the left hand's role, which provides the essential bass groove. Your left hand will play a simple, yet powerful, repetitive bass line. Concentrate on hitting the root notes of each chord in the progression. For a fuller and richer sound, try playing these root notes as octaves. This adds depth and power to the overall arrangement. Remember to practice with a metronome to ensure your timing is absolutely precise. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Begin by practicing each hand independently until you feel completely comfortable with their respective parts. When combining them, start at a very slow tempo, focusing on synchronization. Gradually increase your speed as your coordination and muscle memory develop. Listening to the original song will help you capture the correct rhythmic feel and dynamics, making your performance truly authentic and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.